In this video, I'm going to address the microphone issue with Teams, where when you start speaking, your voice does not immediately come through, and there's a couple second delay. This can also impact the microphone in general, the clarity, and your voice coming in and out on calls. And before I show you the solution, a bit of background as to why this is happening. So most new laptops have a built-in feature where it enables noise suppression and canceling, especially when it comes to background noise when you're in a busy environment. Now, it makes use of a microphone array. So on your laptop, there's a couple of microphones, and the microphones will pick up your voice and then differentiate that from other noises in the background. Now, the reason this happens is both Teams and your laptop's driver will try to do this noise suppression and canceling, and they then compete with each other and apply a even more aggressive noise canceling profile. So on Teams, you'll see that you have on your microphone settings, you'll have the spatial audio and noise suppression features. Now, those I would keep on unless you continue to experience issues, especially in extremely noisy environments. You'll find that it might still cause issues. But the solution for this is to go to your settings, then go to System, Sound, where you can scroll down to More Sound Settings. You'll then go to Recording, and here you would want to find your microphone. Now, in this case, I'm using my laptop, but if you use a headset, you'll need to find your headset's microphone settings. But then on microphone, you'll then click and go to Properties. Then head to Advanced and make sure that this enable audio enhancements option is deselected. This is what is enabling the noise cancelling on the microphone array. So you'll deselect this and then click on OK, OK again, and then continue your Teams meeting.